Today we are going to see another predefined functional interface, that is BiPredicate. Okay, as part of our last video, we have discussed predicate, which will having one abstract method. Predicate is the functional interface of java.util.function. Whatever I am discussing so far, the functional interfaces, that is belongs to the java.util.function package. Okay, so now today I am going to explain you another functional interface which is having like similar to predicate. So as part of predicate, normal predicate, that is having one test abstract method, that is test method, which will take one argument. Okay, so I have already shown that this test method. Okay, this is taking one argument. Okay, but as part of by predicate, by means two. So as the name suggests, so it is also having the same test method, but it will take two argument. Whenever there is a situation like our method, like we require to pass two argument and will result the boolean function, boolean result. So that time we should work with the we should take this one, like work with by predicate. Okay. Okay, so let me create one class, that is Java class by predicate test. Okay, so by predicate test is the class. Here what I'm going to write, I'm going to write one main method. Inside this I'm going to write by predicate of java.util function, which will take two integer comma integer. This is the predicate which is having like two argument of type integer. Okay, so this is the things, and I'm going to write the lambda function here for x and y. These are the two numbers of type integer, so I have not declared the type. So since the type declaring, we can write lambda function this one like int x or integer x, something we can write. But since since it is already known to this is the integer type, so no need to declare again. Okay, so what I can do, like we can check some x greater than y or not. This is the things we just wanted to check, so with two parameter. Okay, so then in that case we can make use of the by predicate by predicate functional interface. Okay, so after that what I am going to do here is, like I am going to test, I am going to call this one predicate by predicate dot test. Okay, this is a test method. I am going to call 10 comma 20. This is the two argument I have passed, 10 and 20, and I will try to do for the, this is 30 and 20. Okay, so if I run, then the first case you'll get false, and second case you will get true, because 10 is not greater than 20. Okay, as you can see, we got false and true. This is the things we got. Okay. Okay, this is the this kind of example I have taken. So let me take one more by predicate of type string, and this is string. This is a string, and let me rename this one to by predicate 1. Okay, by predicate 1, and which is equals to I will take two argument, that is s1 comma s2. This is the two argument with which, like I am using lambda expression here. What I will do, I will check if this s1 dot contains s2. If this s2 is there inside the s1, that means how I can do, s1 dot contains this s2. If the s2 is there, that is inside the s1, then return true. So if I take sys out, and if I do uh, by predicate 1 dot test method. Okay, test method, and here I will pass to one argument, that is, let me write Prakash IT. Okay, welcomes you. Okay, this is the string, and another string is let me write Prakash IT only. Okay, so this is the string. I just wanted to check. This is a string. I want to check if Prakash IT, this string is there inside this string or not. If it contains, if this whole string contains some the part of the string, then what I can do, like we'll say it will return true. Okay, so let me test this one. Okay, as you can see, like we are getting true for this one because this string contains this by this string. Okay, so that is why we are getting the true. Okay, so I have explained by predicate with integer, and this is by taking the string object. Okay, so similar way, like how we have seen the predicate works, the similar way it is the by predicate is working, right? So here by predicate is taking two argument t and u. But in the case of predicate, that is taking one argument. Okay, so but the working is the one and the same. Okay, no need to worry. So for the concept purpose, I have explained all these examples. Okay, so I hope like predicate and by predicate is clear to you people. And so similarly, what we have done, like in our case, like we have done and or negate, all these things for the predicate. So similarly we can do this that kind of examples, right, by using the by predicate. By predicate will take two arguments and will perform, this is the, here I have taken one condition, right? S1 contains this one, or another condition also. I can take, let me take that one also. By predicate to S1 contains okay, S1 dot S1 dot length is greater than S2 dot length. Okay, if this condition also holds good, then what it will do, just I want to print uh, by predicate 1 dot and by predicate 2. Okay, this is the two condition dot test. If I pass like test, and here it will, if I pass the same test. Okay, so in that case, like what I'm doing, like test 1 2 3. Okay, so the condition is test length is greater and this one is this one. Okay, so what it will do, this is this condition what I'm writing, predicate 1 and by predicate 2 dot test method I'm calling, that is there inside the by predicate method, that is the uh, like interface method. This is the abstract method, like, right? And here test 1 and test 2, this is the two string I'm taking. First condition it will check, this is if it contains this string contains this test and the length is greater than this one. You can see like this is the condition holds good, right? So it should return true. Okay, so if I run, then you can see. Okay, so as you can see, the output is coming as true. So that means this condition holds good. So I have shown you for and or and negate, you can test from your side. Okay, so I hope this predicate and by predicate is clear to you people. Okay, so if any issue or doubt is there, so you can ping me in the comment section. Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Okay, thank you.